The Osiris REx mission to Bennu is going to improve our ability to model asteroid deflection by bringing back a sample. They're actually going to fly down and tag the surface with an instrument they call the TAG-SAM, which will touch and go, grab a sample, and they're going to actually fly it back to Earth and land in Utah and then take it to a laboratory and do chemical analysis on us, which will tell us exactly what it's made of. So we can then take that chemical analysis and feed it back into our computer models, and then we'll have a more accurate response to how the asteroid would respond to any sort of mitigation method, whether it was a kinetic cannonball impact or a nuclear standoff ablation or lasers or some other method that's under investigation right now.